morning everyone, my name is Tejasvi Krishna. Today I am telling about Krishna Janmashtami. It is the birthday of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was the dear to everyone. Lord Krishna ate the son of Devaki and father Vasudeva. Lord Krishna was brought up in Gokula with mother Yashoda and father Nandu Baba. Lord Krishna holds fruit in his hand and wears peacock's feather on his head. Lord Krishna kills the evil king Kans in Mathura. Lord Krishna, the festival of Janmashtami sends us the message of devotion and love. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishnaya Vasudevaya, Hare Paramatmane, Pratakleshwaraya, Govindaya Namo Namaha.